Okay, hello and welcome back. In our last lesson, we were talking about common nouns, which are general words for people, places, things, and ideas. But today, we're going to move on to the second type of noun in this section, and that is proper nouns, okay? Now, remember, a common noun is a general word. For example, city, teacher, country, dog, okay? These words, they really don't tell us exactly which city or which teacher or which country or which dog. But today we're going to learn the words that do tell us exactly which one, okay? So a proper noun is the name of a specific, particular person, place, or thing, okay? It's not general, it's exact, okay? And here's an important rule. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter, no matter where they appear in the sentence. Could be at the beginning or the middle of the sentence, they always have a capital because they're specific, okay? Listen to these examples. Toronto, Maria, Canada, Mrs. Smith, Monday, July, the Eiffel Tower. Every one of these names something specific, and every one starts with a capital letter, no matter how it's written, okay? So let's compare them side to side. City, Toronto. Person, Maria. Country, Canada. Teacher, Miss Smith. Month, July. Date, Monday. Okay? On the left, you have general words. On the right, you have specific names with capital letters. Okay? Listen to the difference in when you're using them in full sentences. I live in a city. City is a common noun. Okay? I live in Toronto. Toronto is a proper noun. She is meeting a friend. Friend is a common noun. She is meeting Sarah. Sarah is a proper noun. So proper nouns can name many different kinds of specific things, okay? Let's look at some categories. For one, people's names. Maria, John, Mr. Smith, Dr. Lee. They can name places. Toronto, Canada, the Pacific Ocean, Main Street, okay? Days, months, and holidays. So you can use them for Monday, July, Christmas, Thanksgiving, okay? And you would also use them for companies or brands or organizations like Apple, Nike, or the United Nations, okay? You'd also use them for titles of books or movies or songs, okay? Like Harry Potter or Titanic. Now, the big rule here with proper nouns is capitalization, okay? Proper nouns are always capitalized at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. It doesn't matter where the word is. If it's a proper noun, it gets a capital letter. Okay? For example, my favorite season is summer. Well, summer is a common noun, so it's lowercase. But my favorite month is August. August is a proper noun, so it is capitalized. Okay? So let's use a little memory trick here. Think of a proper noun like a name tag. A common noun is just a category, like person, city, company. But the proper noun is the name tag that person, city, or company is wearing. And just like a name tag, it always stands out with a capital letter at the start. So remember, common noun, the category. Proper noun, the name tag, always capitalized. So now I'm just going to run through a quick dialogue, and you can sort of see where proper nouns are used, okay? Where are you from? I'm from Toronto, Canada. What about you? I'm from a small town near the Pacific Ocean. Oh, nice. Do you know my friend Sarah? She moved to Toronto last July. Sarah? Yes. She works at Apple right now. That's right. She started in September, okay? Okay, so just for a very quick review, today you learned about proper nouns, and a proper noun is the name of a specific person, place, or thing, okay? We talked about the capitalization, and the categories of proper nouns include people's names, places, days, months, and holidays, companies and brands, and titles of books and movies. Try to remember the name tag idea, okay? So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.